close this basic, close this pro. Under general, if you scroll down, we have covered social icons. Now let's see what is alerts. Alerts is a widget that helps you create alerts for your visitors. What is that? Now let me just duplicate it quickly and then update the heading. And then delete this widget. Okay, so what is alert? I'll just show you right away. Pick this widget and drag and drop it right below this heading, and as you can see, this is what is alert all about. And here, hey, enter the right email. And here you can add your description, whatever you want, right? So what is the use of this? Suppose you have some actions or something very important that you want to display it to the visitor of that page or that section, then you can create something like this. And the best part is it will show or hide. See, what happens is as soon as you update this one, I'll show you on the page itself. I'll just select. Here we have alert, hey, enter the right email address. Let's say we had the field over here, email field, and we want the customer to enter the right email address so that we can send the certificate of the course on the right email, right? So if he enters something wrong, then he will not be able to receive the certificate. So what we are doing is we are just adding this section called as alert, and then we'll write the description that we are using this email address to send you a copy of your certificate of completion, so please make sure that you enter the right email address. And then as soon as he reads the alert, he can click on this cross icon and it will be deleted. You can use this and the space will be empty, and he can proceed further. So this is how you can use this element, this widget called as alerts. There are so many other use case as well if you're creating something dynamic, but that needs some custom coding or some advanced skills, so that you can decide when to trigger this alert and when to dismiss this alert. And you can do that. It is simple, but still it needs custom coding. For now, you can use this alert wherever you want to display, and make sure you enter this details like title and description. And then you have this option for styling. For background color, you can change. You can just make it red color if you want to just highlight it, or you can just keep it as simple as that, as a default version. And then border color you can select, and then left border width, and then title color and typography, and description color and typography you can select from here. And under advanced tab, again the same thing. So style, content, these are the important things. So we have covered this one. Now let's see. Okay, so this is it for alerts, and now let's move ahead for the new widgets. There are nothing but SoundCloud integration, shortcode, HTML, menu anchor, and read more sidebar. So yeah, we'll see these widgets in the next video, right?